Hello, everybody. My name is Amy Cabrera, and I am super excited to introduce this amazing platform to all of you. While I'm going through this video, I would really like all of you to ask yourself this question. Shouldn't you be first at least once in your life? Shouldn't you be first at least once in your life? What if you could have been the first person to buy stock in a company that you knew was going to be great? For example, let's talk about Amazon. Let's talk about not missing the train, okay? Let's talk about Amazon. What if you would have known that this guy who wanted to sell books out of his garage and he developed this amazing bookstore, right? Called it Amazon. If you would have known that it was going to blow up into this amazing company years later, multi-million-dollar company, billion-dollar company, right? Would you have bought stock in that? Would you have, right, if you could see into the future? Absolutely, you would. How about Facebook, you guys? Facebook is absolutely incredible, right? But would you have known that this guy coming in, or in college rather, starting the social media platform so that he could talk to his friends, was going to years later develop into this taking over the social media platform kind of guy, multimillionaire there, right? Let's talk about being first, because you definitely don't want to miss the train. I have an exciting opportunity for you. So let's talk about who we are. We are Epic. Okay, Epic, EPIC. What does that stand for? Exceptional people, incredible compensation. I'm going to say it again. Exceptional people, incredible compensation. Now let's talk about who we are. Guys, we are a global company that provides the environment for people of all backgrounds to learn the lifelong skill of Forex trading while also pursuing their financial dreams and goals. And we have an executive team that has more than 100 years of successful business and MLM experience. And we have the industry leading Forex traders and trainers with a 60 to 80% win rate. And of course, you guys, last but not least, and probably the most important, is we are 100% debt free.
While we live in uncertain times, one thing has never been more clear: the need to be financially independent. If you want more out of life, let us show you how to get it. People of all ages are now learning what the banks and other institutions have known for years: how to make money trading in the financial markets. There's over $6 trillion traded each day. Let us show you how to get your piece of that. Epic ushers in a new era of financial education, combined with an unprecedented compensation plan to help you and your family live the life you've always dreamed of. It's time to take your seat at the table. You and your family deserve it. Don't be average. Be epic.
Nobody wants to be average, right? Now let's talk about our foundation, our leaders, who is going to spearhead this and make sure that we are led in the right direction. You guys, first and foremost, if you don't know David McCovey, you definitely want to know David McCovey. He is the founder of an amazing network marketing travel company called Evolution Travel, and that is David McCovey. And now he is the official founder of Epic as well. Right alongside him is Spencer Iverson. You guys, if you don't know Spencer, you definitely want to know him as well. And he is a multi-gifted, multifaceted business mogul who has achieved tremendous success as a self-made entrepreneur, author, corporate attorney, direct sales expert, business consultant, and personal development expert. So we are definitely being led in the right direction with these men. And right next to them, you guys, we have Mark Sterling. He is a master's trader. He is going to be the VP of sales. And of course, David Luciaga, VP business development. He is also a master trader as well as an amazing network marketer. And of course, we have Jonathan Green, our global master ambassador. And last but not least, our coach, Max, director of Forex training. You guys, she has developed this amazing educational platform with an entire team of people. It's not just her teaching us. It's going to be an entire team of people. So let's get into it a little bit further. What is Forex? Well, Forex stands for foreign exchange. It is the act of buying and selling currencies used daily by banks, central banks, institutional investors, and individuals around the world. It is a portable skill, meaning that you can take it wherever it is that you are. that will benefit you for life. You want financial freedom, time freedom, etc. You want it to benefit you for life. Largest financial market in the world, trading from $5 to $6 trillion per day, operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. You guys, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Wouldn't it be nice to make money while you sleep? Heck yes, right? Here's a video explaining a little bit more in further depth what Forex is.
Foreign exchange, or Forex for short, is the place where currencies are traded. Currency trading is the exchange of one type of currency for another. In the Forex market, currencies are traded in pairs. When a trader buys a currency, he or she is selling another currency at the same time. Currency values fluctuate based on various economic, political, and environmental factors. Forex traders sell and buy currencies in an effort to take advantage of these changes in value. The Forex market has no physical location or central exchange, as it is a global decentralized market and trades 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. No other market in the world trades more than Forex, which is why there are many opportunities for traders. That's Forex in a nutshell.
Now, to kind of break it down a little bit further, you guys, this is what banks have been doing for years. Since 1880, banks have been doing this with your savings account. Anybody have money in their savings account? Probably, right? You probably get a 1% return rate. The thing is that at midnight or whatever the case, whatever time, you try to log into your bank account and it says, you know, down for maintenance. Well, guess what they're doing with your money? They are trading it on the Forex exchange market. That's what they're already doing. All we are doing is showing you exactly what the banks are already doing and showing you how to make more than 1%. Now, let's talk about our services. We will have live trading sessions twice a day, guys. That means that you get to get on live with these master traders, 6, 7, 8-figure earners in trading, and you get to get on live with them where they will show you exactly where to click, what to put, what stop loss, etc., etc. They will show you all of it, as well as daily signals. Yes, you will get daily signals, and no, you don't have to pay an arm and a leg for them. And how about our trademark Epic University? You will also get that as well, which is amazing because it does include our 2-week syllabus. That is coming from Coach Max. This 2-week syllabus means that you follow this to a T, and at the 2-week mark, you can begin trading. You don't have to spend years and years and years and years learning how to trade. You can start trading at that point. Now, of course, we will also have market forecasts, which is a really big deal, right? You want to be able to plan out your week, and fun interactive trading communities, and much, much more to come, of course. Now, let's talk about the Epic advantage. Why us over anyone else, right? Let's talk about the advantage. First of all, we will have data security. That is huge in this industry, you guys. We will definitely have data security, as well as comprehensive, fun, and professional Forex trading. And guess what? Everybody's going to get paid on time. Pay on time is huge. Why is that happening? Because our founder, David McCovey, already has strong relationships with our merchants. That means with those strong relationships, he has now added them to Epic, and we know that we will get paid on time. Now, of course, accurate back office tracking and reporting, strong culture and frequent communication. This is also a big deal, especially when you have a company, right? You don't want to be left in the dark. Absolutely not. You also want to make sure that you have a strong culture. Anybody who is in Evolution Travel knows the kind of culture that we have. We are family. We are family, guys. That means that we actually care about each other's success. And of course, our leaders, you're going to be taken care of. Okay, if you weren't taken care of elsewhere, you will definitely be taken care of here. I mean, vacations, rings and things, all kinds of stuff, you guys. And the product will be available in multiple languages within 60 days. Within 60 days. That means from now until the end of October, around the end of October, we will have our education translated into multiple languages. And of course, we are going to stay within compliance, you guys. We have to make sure that we follow the law. So definitely effective compliance will come into play. And guess what? You don't have to worry about your marketing stuff because Madison Avenue marketing campaigns and of course a strong social media presence. You guys, we're already breaking the internet. People know who Epic is, and we haven't even launched. You guys, we have not even launched. So let's talk about everything that you get. We are launching October 2020. That means on October 2020, this is when the education will begin. For the Epic membership, it is You do receive the launch manual, trade alerts, live sessions, market forecast, website, 2-week syllabus, small group study, 20 pips and dip strategy, and of course our trade community. And you get all of that for $99 a month. $99 a month. You come in, they have $99 and you get everything. We're not going to nickel and dime you and say, hey, if you want the live trading sessions, now you got to pay more. No, none of that. It's all within one package. Now, let's say you come on board and you're like, you know what? I'm not sure that I want to pay the $99. That's a steal, but let's say you want to do the power of three. What is the power of three? Let's say you come on board. Hello, welcome aboard. Let's get you educated in the Forex platform, etc., and you love it. You love it. You're like, you know what? I know a few people that may actually like this too. They're into trading. They know what it is, or maybe they don't and they want to learn. So I'm going to start referring them over to this educational platform so that they can learn as well. Well, at that point, when you refer 3 scholars, meaning 3 active scholars, they are also part of the educational platform. They are learning from the master traders. When you refer them, now your $99 is gone. It's gone, you guys. At that point, you don't have to pay that every single month because it is now officially waived. But what's going to happen is they may love it so much that they also tell other people, right? And this is building your network. This is now building your organization, guys, because when they tell other people, they're also going to get 3 people and 3 people, right? Because they may not want to pay the $99, or it's simply because our product is that amazing that they want to share it with as many people that they can, right? Well, at that point, you guys, you may want to consider the referral program. Now, let me go ahead and break this down as far as the pricing, okay? So first of all, the Epic member, to become a member, it is $99 every 4 weeks. Okay, so that gives you full access to the educational platform. At which point you decide to refer 3 active scholars. That is when your Epic member with free education will begin. So it's the initial $99 startup, and then 3 personal active scholars does waive that monthly membership, but you still have the full access to the educational platform. If and when you decide to refer other people and you're like, you know what, my network is growing, at that point, you may consider opening up an IBO account. An IBO account does reactivate that $99 per month plus $24.95. But at that point, you're not only getting the educational platform, but now you are part of the referral program, which means, guess what, you guys? Yep, more income. So let's talk about it. Residual income is the best kind of income. You don't need to work for 40 hours a week for 40 years to retire on 40% of your salary. You guys, residual income is fantastic. So let's go ahead and break this down so you guys can see what I mean. So as a scholar, that means that you referred 3 other people into the organization, and that is it. Okay, so at that point, your $99 is waived. The minute that you activate your IBO account, you are now part of the residual income, the compensation plan. Now, please keep in mind there is a building rule, because we have to keep that, right? So leg 1 will need to have 40%, leg 2 will need to have 40%, and leg 3 will need to have 20% of total volume. And the IBO package, again, is $99 per month plus $24.95 per month. Now, remember I said, why would you want to pay the $124.95? Why would you want to pay that? Simply because when you have 10 total team members in your organization, in your network, at that point, you are making $500 a month. So now let's think about this. The cost of the program is $124.95, but you are making $500. You are officially profiting $375. I hope that makes sense to everybody. At this point, now you can, your network may continue to grow. So when you have 30 total team members with the building rule, at that point, you are making $1,000 a month, and it keeps going further. Founder 2000 is 80 people in your organization. That's $2,000 a month. Founder 5000 is 250 total team members in your organization. That is $5,000 a month. I'm sure $5,000 a month will pretty much replace most people's salary at that point, right? How about Ambassador 10? Ambassador 10 is 500 people in your organization. And at that point, you have now doubled your income to $10,000. Let's keep going. Ambassador 20 is 1,000 people in your organization, which is $20,000 a month, $20,000 a month. How about Ambassador 50? Ambassador 50 is 2,500 people in your organization. At that point, you are making a normal person's annual salary in a month. You are making $50,000 a month, you guys. At Icon 100, that is 5,000 people in your organization. At that point, you are making $100,000 $1,000 a month. Icon 200 is 15,000 people in your organization. At that point, you are making $200,000 a month. That's $50,000 a week, because we do get paid weekly every Friday, you guys. Every Friday, that paycheck will come. That means once a week, you are making more than what most people make in an entire year. Let's keep going further. Icon 500 is 40,000 people in your organization. At that point, you are making $500,000 per month, $500,000 per month. But let's not stop there, you guys. I want everybody in the comments. I want you all to put this right now. I want you to say, I am epic. I am epic. Hashtag I am epic. Why is that? Because, guys, it does not stop here, but this is where we're going to stop for now. 75,000 people in your organization makes you epic. It makes you epic. At that point, you are making $1 million a month. $1 million a month. That's $250,000 a week. Let's speak it into existence, family. Now, here's the compensation plan broken down as far as the balance requirements. For example, founder 2,000 for 75 people in your organization. They cannot have more than 30 people in this leg, 30 people in this leg, and 15 people in this leg in order for it to count. Meaning that you cannot have all 75 people in one leg, right? That would make this illegal. You cannot have that. It has to be spread out. Now, what's crazy is that we have something called spillover, which I don't want to get too far into right now, but that will also help build your organization. Of course, you guys, with the income that we are earning, we want to make sure that we are giving back, because that is just a good thing to do, right? So giving back, we definitely have epic charity, meaning that we are donating to our communities. We're making sure that we are giving back here in our communities. And how about this, you guys? Epic Kids. This happens to be one of my favorite programs, simply because we as a society need to start exposing our children to other opportunities, right? If we broke this down, let's put this in perspective. If we broke this down and we thought about a millionaire, let's think about a millionaire, right? Does that millionaire, let's say that millionaire has children. When that millionaire has children, are they exposing their children to $10 an hour jobs? Or are they exposing their children to entrepreneurship, to trading, to network marketing, whatever the case may be, right? Those kids are exposed to a different type of lifestyle and a different type of mindset. And us as a society, the reason why it's hard for us to believe some things is because this has been ingrained in us as a society. If you grew up with a poor parent or whatever the case may be, you grew up knowing that you had to at least get a job and you were worth $10 an hour. Well, what if I told you, no, actually you're worth a lot more than that, just nobody exposed it to you. So we are developing kids and preparing the next generation of millionaires, you guys, because that is super important for our children to learn. Now, here's our strategy, the epic launch strategy. Here we go. So starting September 1st, if you are watching this video before September 1st, don't worry, you can still lock in your spot. But why is it that you would want to lock in your spot in the month of September? Remember I said the education does not start until October. Why would you want to lock in your spot? Because you want to be the first at something, right? You want to be the first at something. If we're talking about other network marketing companies, what if you could have been the first in Herbalife? What if you could have been the first in Tupperware? What if you could have been the first in Pampered Chef? What would your organization look like? Because it doesn't stop. People are gonna love the platform. People are going to love the education. So that part is not going to stop. We're always going to have students. But why not be the first and lock in your top spot, right? So starting September 1st, we are running a campaign, 80% off, $19.99 to lock in your top spot. That is a race to 40,000 people. You guys, you don't want to miss this opportunity. In order to help you do that, we will have 4 live Zoom presentations daily. Okay, 4 live Zoom presentations daily to help you, to explain what the educational platform is going to be. It will be a lot more refined than what you see now because it will be through corporate, but I did want to explain to you what the educational platform would be in my eyes. Now, on October 1st, we do go live. At that point, that is when the $99 will be due. Should you decide to opt into the referral program, then the $24.95 will be due. But that is when we start getting educated. We start getting educated on the Forex industry. And guess what, you guys? Our founder already has a retreat planned for anybody who is ambassador and above. Remember, I told you, we are making sure that we are taking care of our leaders. Now, here we go. 40,000 in 40 days, hashtag lock in your spot. If you are in, I would love for you guys to hashtag lock in your spot, hashtag September to remember, hashtag I am epic. This begins September 1st, you guys. I am epic. And again, our company is Epic Trading International Incorporated, a Forex for new generation. Thank you so much for your time, everybody. Remember to hashtag I am epic.